Hi, today I would like to show you a new apps to get paid in PayPal money for free. Yeah, I'm like to show you today how you can earn just by clicking some points, mouse buttons here and there, and you get up to 25, $20 to $30 and more, even more. And you can just, if you just repeat it and get 10 to 20 tasks every day or every month, you can easily make 300 to $500 or more money just by clicking mouse buttons. Yeah, but before I show you the method, welcome to my channel Moneyhorn. Hi there, this is Jesh from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which I'm going to show you the apps that going to get you payment in free PayPal money, and this is going to be awesome because this company pays and it's a proven company. So the site that I'm going to show you today is enrollapp.com. Yes, you heard it already or you may not, but this is the site that pays, and that's the solid base, and it's a not that new, but it's paying their customers, their users every time without any delay. So this is the place to make the web better. Let's make the web a better place. That's their slogan. Why is that? Because they are taking various type of tests from various type of companies about their website, about their apps, and all those companies want to test their apps or website before they launch it in the real world. So what is the catch here? Those companies pays Enroll app for testing their apps and websites or many other softwares to get users opinions before they finally release that apps. And this is the way Enroll app just pays to their users who just get those tests and performs those tests and reviews that those companies will use to modify that software or fix any bugs if they have, and then release it to the real world. So this is the catch, this is the real deal. So this is the way you can make things better, and you are doing for the good. This is why I always recommend to work with these and Enroll apps, and you get money with doing simple tasks. It's not that difficult. You just go over to the site and you can test it, you can browse through the sites how they work, and you can see that they have a really good customer base and they are already established and paying company that are really good to work with. So all you have to do is just go to enrollapp.com and hit the register button, and when you go to register it will show something like this. Just input your email, passwords, and check mark their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and complete the captcha and hit enter, and you are good to go with the registrations. They are going to send you an email, and you have to log into your email and confirm that email address so that you are good to go with Enroll app. So after you log in, they're going to ask you for some basic informations like your details, your name, your address, your payment PayPal email address, and so on so forth. That's an easy way to start with Enroll app. So the thing is, when you complete all the steps, then it will go into your dashboard like this. This is my dashboard and my account. So, and you see that there is a little mini cow here that is progressing. This is my mission progress bar. So all this concept is you complete missions, you complete, you work Enroll app and complete some missions day by day, and you will more missions you will complete, more tasks you will get, and there is a better chance that you get more tasks from companies and you earn money. So how you can progress? You just go over there and when you are in your dashboard, you can see that there is a polls options here that are asking you some questions like this, and all you have to do is just regularly log into Enroll app and answer these questions like this. Simply just read the questions and be honest with that, because this is very important. I would like to show you some tips that you can use to double or triple your earning using this Enroll app. That's in my experience. I'm going to share you. Just stay with me and do what as I say. So if you just answer these questions like this and submit your answers, it will show how you stack up. So just hit continue and you will get the next questions, and so on so forth. The more questions you answer, there is a more chance you get more tasks from companies. Here you can see that I have already answered 1700 questions and I'm going on, but I'm not a regular person here. I have other things to do, so I didn't have time to work regularly here, but this is my progress so far, and you can see that I have been 76% in the missions of Saturn. So what is the missions? When you click on achievements here, you can see the missions, all it takes that you have taken, and your progress, your all progress and missions you have completed. So whenever you complete a missions, you will get badges, and badges like this that I have already earned and by answering poll questions. And this is the points that you have get, and more questions, more poll questions you complete, more bonus money. There is a chance that you earn some bonus money with points as well. So all you have to do, they are asking you to take test, answer Enroll polls, and be an active Enroll user to earn badges, and this is going to get you money, more money. The more regular you are, you always remember to log in daily and answer those questions, daily questions regularly, and you just progress through the missions. And remember that they have poll questions options that you can edit your answers, because these you have to be honest to get tasks from companies. Companies want real users who read and participate their questions attentively and honestly. So all you have to do is just go over here in the menu, and you can see that there is a poll questions options. If you click on that, this page will show up, and it will show all the questions that you have answered so far. So I can just search for any questions that I want to edit, and I can just click edit and change the answers. This is the options because they need honesty. If you by any mistake answered a questions in a wrong way, then you can edit it so that there is a chance that you get more task and you earn more money. So another thing is your test preferences. Your test preferences, if you click on it, it will show like this. And Enroll app is saying that let's make sure all of your profile settings are up to date. And as a reminder, they are saying that your responses to these questions will kept private. So all the answers to the poll questions or any test preferences, all these responses will kept private, because Enroll app not going to submit it to those companies. The Enroll app will decide according to your poll questions answers whether you are qualified to perform those companies tests, so that they maintain their quality. This is why you always not get tests. So that is why honesty is very important. And the things I asked you to do is just in the device sections, you select all the three device, mobile, tablet and desktop, so that many tasks you can get, because some companies ask for mobile apps, some companies ask for desktop software, and so on. So if you select three of them, there is a better chance you get more tasks from them. Then in the testing availability, you can see that they have two options: send me test as soon as possible and send me test during specific times. But you cannot choose this, because if you choose send me to test as soon as possible, there is a better chance that you get more tasks from them, whether you choose a specific time. And tick mark send me an email when I qualify for a test, so that you can get a email notification, and also you can validate your phone number here so that you can get an SMS. This is also a very important part, because whenever a test or task available from any companies to perform, this task has an expiry time and it will just expire in like 1 hour. So all you have to do is just be active and perform promptly and take that test right away when it's available to you, so that you can get that money for doing your task. So this is why notification and phone number is very important for you. So then you have to click on professional profile, and this is the options. This is the page that you see when you click on professional profile, and you have to choose a work status. You can I recommend you choose a full-time or part-time you are working, and your industry field. I choose information technology, but choose according to your job title. But it's recommended that as it's an apps or website or software related things, then task you will get like that. It's better to get computer and information technology related jobs and skills. It's better to have that, but it's okay if you do not, but you choose those type of jobs and skills and things like that. And if you selected, you are a job holder, you just select salary for the income and what is your yearly income. This is very important. You choose a bigger amount here, so that companies want more people who earn more money. That is why they can ensure that you are an active user, you are an qualified user to perform their task. So you put good amount of money as an yearly income field and hit save changes. So you are good to go with that, and so on so forth. The more task you will do, the more money you will get. More poll questions you do, there's a more chances you get more task from Enrolab. And this is why I always ask you to be honest and go with the missions, earn badges, and you will get bonus points, bonus money, as well as you will have more tasks. Those tasks will be available in these sections here whenever a job or a task is available to you. So all you have to do is just perform that task. Minimum payout is $1. So if you work regularly, there is a better chance that you will get more higher paying task. Because if you are not regular and if you dishonest about polls questions, you will not get higher paying task and test from companies. So this is very important. When you get a test, it just requires some mouse clicking here and there, and it just take 1 or 2 minutes of your time and you get the money, boom, and you can get up to $20-30 per test. Believe me, more active, more regular you are in this website, more chances you get higher paying jobs. You work regularly and you be active, and then money will follow you. If you just test like 10-20 tasks every month, you can earn hundreds of dollars, $100, $200, $300 every month, which is a great money. And even you can make it in a daily basis if you work regularly. So this is, guys, if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. Let me know in the comments below how you like this method or not. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.